Good evening, everyone. As might be you all are busy, but I think learning should not stop. So I am recording the session for the today's topic, and I will be uploading all the things on the YouTube on my YouTube channel so that you can later on see the recordings and you can learn. Learning should not stop. Okay. So today's topic is basically how to learn the basics of prompts, how to learn the basics of prompts and how to use them effectively. Okay. So, in the last session that I have already shared some prompts with you. So I'm just sharing my screen with you. This is the screen. These are the links of the videos which I have already shared with you. I think the screen is visible to you. So basically, today's topic is related to prompts. Okay, I have crafted many prompts related to your different professions, like personal trainer, if you want to become a personal trainer in the coming future. So for that, if you want to have some idea and how to market yourself, okay, or how to run the campaign for the same, what are the things you need to accumulate, what are the things you need to be ready to teach others. So according to that, I have crafted the prompts according to the rules, and I will be showcasing you the results when you will put normal prompts and when you will put these prompts. What is the difference between that I'm going to showcase today? So that's why these prompts are very much important and essential, and which will play a vital role when you will be going through some transition in your life, like when you will become a coach, or when you will becoming when you will be doing some marketing or doing some ads or running some ad agencies or doing some freelancing work. So you should learn how to write the proper prompt so that you can get the desired result and 100% accuracy. And and you will get all the things in one prompt only. Okay. For example, if today's topic, if I will say I'm choosing this travel guide. So what is the prompt? I want you to act as. So basically, which word I am using? This act as. Okay. This word is highlighting I am here so that you can first basically train the model, ChatGPT, DeepSeek or Quen, whichever the training model or LLM model you are using to get the results from them or from it. So you should first train them with the prompts. So accordingly, they will give you the result basically. So you need to use this word act as. I want you to act as a travel guide. I want you to act as a spoken English teacher and improver like this. Okay. So I'm just copying this prompt. First, I will read for you and then I will be showcasing all the things on the platforms. So I want you to act as a travel guide. I will write you my location and you will suggest a place to visit near my location. In some cases, I will give you the type of places I will visit. You will also suggest me places of similar type that are close to my first location. My first suggestion request is I am in Istanbul or this Beyoğlu and I want to visit only museums. Okay. So this is the prompt I am putting in on this chat GPT or any other platform you can take. So simply come on the chat GPT, open its interface and just try it. First, I will be asking normally and then I will be asking with the prompt. So we will see the result. What kind of difference is coming? Okay. So the topic is travel guide. Clear? The topic is travel guide. And basically what I am asking from it that I will write you my location and will suggest a place near my location. And in some case, I will be give you my type of places I will visit. So simply what I will ask ChatGPT normally, if I will be asking, uh, suggest my location is Indore. My location is Indore, MP. give me places to visit. Okay. And I want to visit. Simply, I will simply this prompt, I will put this much only. Give me places nearby. Give me nearby places. Nearby places to visit. Okay. Let's see what kind of result will it give us. Then I will be putting my proper prompt. So Indore located in Madhya Pradesh like this, Patal Pani waterfall. So it will give us everything. Tincha Fall, Jana Pao, and Choral Dam. These are the places which are near my Indore, Maho. These are obvious facts. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will simply copy this prompt now. Control C. And now I will ask. Let's see what kind of result will come and in which manner it will come. We will see the design pattern also. Okay. Because now I have trained and now it is searching. Clear? So I need to listen. I need to change my this place. I have not changed like Istanbul. It has given. So we will see. So I need to change it. Now we will see. And I am in Indore. I want to visit only museums. So what I will do, museums, as we know that there are less museums. So what I will go, I want to visit only what you can say, mm, trekking places. Clear? Specific prompt I am giving now. Now just wait for the result. Okay, now see the pattern. It has changed now. Okay, because I have given the exact prompt now according to the prompt, the trained prompt, it is giving the result. But before that, it has given only the places and a brief description about them, about the places from the Google. Okay. So all the, you can see the attached sites from here. Okay. So like Patalpani, Trincha, it has not mentioned why we should visit it. So now it is giving us everything. Now, Janapao Kuti, it is 45 kilometers from Indore. When it gave me this, now it has not given me why I should visit this. But here the option is I have not asked. I have just trained everything in the prompt only. So automatically it is giving why visit. Consider the birthplace of Lord Parshuram. Because if I want to go there, I should know the basic history of that place or present scenario of that place. What is the importance? A great trek with moderate difficulty, perfect for adventure lovers, the panoramic sunset views from the top. So I just trained that I just asked that I want to go for tracking places, basically. So Jamgate is also there, offers on offbeat tracking experience, and now it is giving me exact distance also, and point wise everything is coming. Okay, and then Hatyari Koho Trek, a deep valley trek with waterfalls and dense forest like this, it is given. Then Tincha Fall, of course. So that's the basic thing I want to show you, that when you will be putting prompts like casually, so it will give you like that only the results. Okay, and when you will go like this, suppose you want to make some PowerPoint presentation, so you should be knowing these things. You should include these things in that. So if you will give the exact prompt, the exact answer will come. Now check for other prompts. Okay. Okay, now I will be taking another prompt. So these are already given in this sheet, means when you will go on this silver member videos collection sheet, in the next sheet where videos are there, in the next sheet it is prompts section I have given, so you can utilize them. Clear? Now what I should go for this poet. Okay, I want you to act as a poet. You create poems that evoke emotions and have the power to stir people's soul. Write on any topic or theme, but make sure your words convey the feeling you are trying to express in beautiful yet meaningful ways. You can also come up with short verses that are still powerful enough to leave an imprint in reader's mind. My first request is I need a poem about love. Okay. So I have given my niche also on the so which poem should be there. So let's check. Now see the result. Exact thing it will give us. We will first go with this prompt and see the result, and then we'll normally I will type the echo of love. The love is not fleeting spark, but a whisper woven through the dark. It lingers in the spaces small where silence speaks the loudest call. So these kind of poems are not written by anyone. This ChatGPT is doing everything on its own. Clear? Now let's you can see what I have asked in this that you will create poems that evoke emotions and the power to stir people's soul. Clear? And everything that you meaningful hona chahiye. It should be meaningful and beautiful. And you can also come up with short verses and still powerful enough to leave an imprint in reader's mind. Now, just we will ask simple poem. Give me poem on love. Might be it will give the related answers because I have already given the prompts above. Okay. So what I will do, I should go in another, I think, in the new page, new chat. Give me a poem on topic love. Let's see what will come. We will see what kind of difference we can differentiate. We will see. Okay. So it is going like this. Okay. Love is not just words we say, but echoes soft that light our way. A gentle touch, a knowing glance, a heartbeat reset in cosmic dance. Okay. But when you will be going through this and when will be going through this, there is a lot of difference. What kind of difference that it is you can also come up with the short verses means it is basically what it is still powerful short words it is and but it should evoke the emotions and have the power to stir people's soul. Clear? So when you will read this, so basically the according to the prompt it has given us, it is basically evoking the emotions of the people, where if I am reading this, it is just a simple poem. Love is not just words we say, but echoes soft that light our way. A gentle touch, a knowing glance, a heartbeat set in cosmic dance. Emotions are not evoking, but according to the prompts which I gave, clear? So there it is giving the result accordingly. But the similarity, what the similarity? They both the poems are short. That is enough. That is means that's the similarity I am just analyzing. Now let's come for the next prompt. What prompt we should use? Okay, math teacher. I want you to act as a math teacher. I will provide some mathematical equation or concept that it will be your job to explain them in easy to understand terms. See, this prompt I have already taken the previous session. Let's check for another. Cyber security. Okay. Suppose you are not of this field, but still you can. If suppose any project comes in your way or any topic to teach comes in your way, so you can use these prompts. I will provide some specific information about how data is stored and shared, and it will be your job to come up with a strategy for protecting this data and malicious actors. This could include suggestion, encrypting method, this. And my first request is I need help developing an effective cybersecurity strategy for my company. So let's see what kind of result will come. So it will give us a proper structure like risk assessment and asset identification, strong access control measures, data encryption and secure storage, network security and threat monitoring. So when you will be putting proper prompts, it will give you a structure in answers in a structured way. Okay. You can see identify, access, and prioritize risk. Again, multi-factor, role-based, zero trust architecture. So like this, inside headings will be there, and under it, some pointers will be there. So that's the beauty of prompts. So you should, if you are not learning prompts, how to write properly, okay? So at least read them on daily basis on or you use them. At least one or two prompts, use them from the sheet so that you will be benefited. Clear? And network security and threat monitoring, employee training and security policies, continuous monitoring, compliance. Clear? So it has given everything, the knowledge which I was not having, but still it has given everything that what things should be monitored for any company. Basic things should be monitored. So let's check with other prompts. What kind of prompts are given? Magician, career counseling. That's a good prompt. I should say I want you to act as a career counselor. I will provide you with an individual looking. Suppose if you want to start your agency and you want to do some career counseling, clear, in your friend circle or in your market area, means जितना भी आपका circle है, if you want to do some consultancy on this topic, so these are the best prompts. This is the best prompt for career counselor. So I provide you with an individual looking for guidance in their professional life and to tries to help them determine this. So my first bit, I want to advise someone who wants to pursue potential career in software engineering. Suppose somebody is asking you, what are the things, what are the things he should keep in mind to become a software engineer. Suppose the child is in 12th and he want to become software engineer. So if you don't have the idea, suppose you are running an agency for career counseling, if you don't have idea, just prepare yourself. First prepare yourself and do some homework through these softwares, through these tools, ChatGPT, DeepSeek or QuenGen, wherever you want to use. So understanding their interest and skills. So you need to first guide them whether the people are interested in these things or not, like technical skills they need to learn. So do they have programming experience? So if they want to pursue some of these things, so they should have some these language courses or language subject in their 11th and 12th. Clear? So like this, you can take the ideas or do some, you can take the notes basically. Now, what are the career path in software? You can become a front-end developer, back-end developer. If you don't know, you can ask ChatGPT, what do you mean a front-end developer? So front-end developer, what it does might be you as you are doing. So it works on UI and UX, web frameworks, React, Angular. On these softwares, that person will work and can make the career. Backend developer will work as databases, APIs. These are the keys basically, and server side logic. And mobile app developer, they can become AI and machine learning engineer. So simply you can start your agency from today. There is nothing to worry about it. You can be a good career counselor. You just need to market yourself. So marketing will be done by two ways, either in your friend circle and of course through FB ads, which I will be teaching in the month of March or April. Clear? So just read all the prompts and decide in which field you want to start your agency so that you can use these prompts and you can apply and you can accumulate more data. You can accumulate more data and you can then start and you can start monetizing job market, and also you can suggest educational certification and steps to build. Suppose if you're not happy with this result, so you can ask, give me more insights on the same topic above. Just see. Again, it will give you deep diving into career in software engineering. It will give you the deep results, deep research. Okay, why choose software engineering? You can make the slides on this also whenever you're going to teach on this particular topic. Clear? So now it is giving you deep knowledge. So like this, you can change. So prompts will remain same. Suppose if somebody wants to go in defense, So I want to advise someone who want to pursue potential career in defense, like in defense areas, like in Air Force, Army. So you can just need to type. Same prompts will be remain same. The part will remain same. I will copy it. Control C. Just come here and change in defense forces. Clear? In defense forces of India. You need to mention because we are living in India. So you need to mention. Still the prompt is going on. That's why hit button is not visible. Now you can hit. Now see the result. What are forces in India? So Indian Defense Forces में क्या क्या होता है? Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Specific qualification skills. Why choose a career in defense? Challenging and adventurous life, of course, attractive perks because nowadays a minimum salary of entry level also it is starting from 40 to 50,000. Okay, entry level person is also earning this much in the defense area because eighth pay commission is already running, I think, seventh or eighth. So different ways to join officer level entry, class 12 and graduate level. Both at both they can clear these things officer level entry by giving these exam NDA, CDS, TES, Army Dental Medical Corps for medical profession. Suppose somebody is from medical profession, they can give this and they can become the doctor in these defense forces. Suppose if you want to go in Indian Air Force, these are the things for Indian Army. And now if you want to go for Indian Air Force, now again give NDA, FCAT for graduates. Means after a bachelor degree, they can give this exam. Or 12th, they can give NDA. CDS graduate level again. NCC, of course, for NCC special entry. You should know National Cadet Corps. Okay. Indian Navy, Indian entry, CDS, Indian Navy, and SSC. These are the only things through which they can go inside. Of course, soldier and sailor level entry is also there. After class 10th and 12th, you can go for these exams. And eligibility criteria, NDA clear, this is the criteria for year. So if you want to become a career counselor, you can become. Nothing to worry. There is no need of Google. No need of accumulating the result from Google. Simply use these prompts and accumulate the data. Make PPTs and um, whatever the professions are there in your mind on whichever profession you want to teach, or suppose you want to start your YouTube channel on this only career counseling, so you can use these prompts, accumulate data and present yourself. I am not saying start doing marketing on FB ads and other in your service, that in your circle, friend circle, and start asking for monetizing or start asking or discussing with the fee structure. If you want to start your YouTube channel on these topic, you can easily do. Simply accumulate the data, make the PPTs, or do the presentation in different ways. So first, you should collect the data from ChatGPT or other AI tools. And exam patterns, everything you can just explain on your YouTube channel, and then you can in the coming years or in the coming months, basically I say coming months because in a week, if you will be doing counseling on one topic, your channel will be on viral mode. आपका चैनल वायरल होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा because people need free services also. So for them the free services are YouTube. So basically you can do some research on this and then you can start. And everything you should explain salary and perks, everything. Job market and future scope. You can see starting salary for officer. If the person is selecting as officer, its salary will start from this per month. This much range will be there. Okay. So like this, how to prepare for defense exam, you can utilize these things also and you can add these things. So finally, so many prompts I have explained you today in a short session. Utilize these prompts and just come up with your queries and decide at least one topic on which at least not starting on Zoom and other platforms, but at least start your YouTube channel on particular topic and start explaining through PPTs, or if you can explain through other ways also, that would be fine. It's your choice. You need to do some research on that. How do you are going to explain on YouTube channel? So of course, for YouTube channel, recording is required. So simply you can do recording through Zoom. just open the Zoom and switch on the recording, and you can do the recording. I already taught you how to do the editing of your recordings or any video. You can put some effects through Canva Pro and other AI tools, and you can do some editing. You can put some sound also at the background, or whichever way you need some guidance, you let us know, let me know, and I will guide you accordingly. But Zoom is the best platform to the recording, and you can upload the videos on YouTube. So make a target at least, if you are going with these prompts and you want to make career on YouTube, so at least once in a week on one topic you should upload the video. I know it will take time, but slowly when you will be doing this, so in the coming months, it will be, means you can complete or you can achieve two topics in a week, might be not one, two topics or three topics in a week. So it depends. Your speed will increase once you will start. If you will not take the initiative, so definitely you will just learn, और वो ऐसा होता जाएगा कि I will take the sessions and you are just listening and just having the dinner after the sessions. So it depends upon you how to utilize them. So that's all from this session. Now I will be asking some queries. If you have any queries, then you can open your mic and just open the video and you can ask. Okay, Anjali ma'am, you can ask if you have any query.
For today's session, no
Oh,
queries as such, but I have a query on my previous session
okay,
design.
yes, ma'am. Open your video and you can, ma'am, ask them. Just ask.
Sir.
Oh, so what was the query that related to consistent characters, I think.
Ha.
Okay,
There
what is
was
the
this
query, ma'am?
query. Query is like if we are downloading the image that we have created, we have to spend
Okay.
some tokens on it, right?
Okay, in the free plan you are asking, I think.
In the free plan,
Okay.
in any of the free plans that we ask,
Yes,
like
yes,
in
yes.
Leonardo, if I download the image, I have to take some tokens for it, right? So I have figured out. I was just going through some Insta channel, and I figured out that if you right click on the channel, can we just look into it?
You can share the screen. You can share the screen and then show me.
Okay, just a second. So what
So,
they told, if you right click on the image and go to inspect, you get that code part in it. And if you click on the image, you get the code link. And if you paste that code link in another tab, so there's no need to download from the software. Externally, you can download that image. So I had this question whether this thing can work with all the platforms.
they have explained with by which tool, in which tool they have explained this.
Design.
Design which I told you.
Yeah. I was just
It
exploring.
is
I
no,
was
it
just
is
exploring that tool.
actually consistent character is the main feature of that tool. So it is applicable in that tool only, because when you will be going with other, so it is not possible because they are asking for seed value. If they are,
Hmm.
when you will be doing right click, so that kind of thing will not come. You can you can just try in front of me only by sharing screen. In Leonardo, you
Hmm.
will not get this inspect element and like this. Or if you will get, then also the consistent character will not come until unless you are on paid plan or some seed values, proper facial prompt should be same. Because what will happen when you will train the character, its prompts will also get fixed. So when the same prompt will be there and it's all facial features, everything is completely clear, then only the consistent character will come. So you can try, but I don't think it will be applicable in all the tools. Design, it is okay. Design, it is okay.
Another.
So just a minute. I am taking one image from the download only. So suppose I am taking this image. Let's see what image it is. It is related to some tools, effective tools. So give me prompt for the image attached. Let's see. So give me prompt for the image attached. So let's wait. It is giving. Yes. Now you can see it's a good technique, I must say. Top 21 AI tools for any purpose, like for business, video, AI agent, data, automation, marketing, and research. These are the 21 tools I have discussed today or I have uploaded on LinkedIn profile. Okay. So what prompt you can see what are the names are there in the image. So accordingly, it has given everything like a weird. I want a visually appealing infographic. It is an infographic. I already taught you what are infographics. So this is one of the infographic basically. This image is a type of infographic because it is giving a information in the graphical format. That's the basic meaning of infographic. Clear? So it's an infographic featuring the top 21 AI tool for any purpose. The image should have a modern tech themed background with a digital brain icon in the center. You can see that also digital brain in the center. Okay. You can see this according to the prompt, everything it is there in the image. Now AI tools should be displayed in a circular arrangement. You can see all the tools is being arranged in circular arrangement. You can see. Clear? Around the Brain AI tools and each with a unique color and label. Categories like research, business, video, AI agent, data automation, and marketing should be highlighted in different colors. And the design should be sleek, futuristic, professional, suitable for a tech-savvy audience. You can see this. So it's a good technique. Reverse process also it is good. Suppose if you have images and if you want to learn how this image is being generated, either by Adobe graphic design or directly by AI tools. So you can see. Okay. So you can go with this kind of technique also. It's a good technique. Clear? Now what I will ask, give me an image based on above prompt. It's ChatGPT. Let's see what kind of image will come. Or in other tools also, you can go with these kind of prompts. So they will give you exact image. Let's check. You can see now, uh, actually the top 21 AI tools will be there, but exact information or exact kind of image will not get matched because ChatGPT deals with DAL-E kind of images. Okay. So when you will putting in other this prompt, when you will putting in other AI tools, then you will get this kind of images. Or just take an example of another. Suppose if I am taking any character, clear? So just come up with this. Suppose I'm taking this. Clear? So give me prompt for the image attached. So you should first see what are the things are there, what are its facial features of this cartoonist boy name Adi I have given, and what kind of color combination is there of the dress. Clear? And you see the color of eyes here and everything. Now, accordingly, it has given us it's a 3D image, 3D animated style, boy character standing confidently in a modern city street. You can see it's a modern street. The boy has big, expressive green eyes and cheerful smile. These are the green eyes. You can see the color and cheerful smile and stylish brown hair. He wears a red and yellow jacket with a cool emblem. Okay, you can see a cool emblem is there. You can see here, this is and fingerless gloves. You can see gloves, but fingerless and a trendy cap with sunglasses resting on top. His outfit include blue jeans and knee patches. You can see it's a blue jeans and knee patches. You can see. So this is the beauty of these tools. So exact information whatever is there in the particular person mind it has crafted, and reverse process is also a good idea to learn the prompts. So when you will be trained with this kind of 4 or 5 sentences prompt, then you will definitely get the projects on prompt engineering also. So it's a best whenever you have time you can go with these kind of technique also. Good that you have shared today. Good going. Any other doubt?
Hmm. I
Oh,
forgot I had one more.
You can
Stable
take it.
stable diffusion.
Means in images
How
you
it
are
works?
asking.
How it works? Is it
So
good to explore?
in that tool only you have came across.
No, 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 no. I came
Okay,
across in design only yesterday for
okay,
that inspect thing.
okay.
Said that
Just
how we can download. Hmm.
let's open this tool only. Where it is? Just show me.
Just
Okay.
upload any image.
I need to upload image. Okay.
Open any image that you have already generated and you want to download. Any image.
Okay. This is the image finally. Okay.
Just
So I
right
want to
click.
download it. Download.
No, no, no. Just right click on the image.
Right click.
Here
Okay.
in the picture. Yes, inspect.
Okay.
Inspect. Inspect.
Okay.
Last.
Yes.
Hannah, go to the first thing. The first one. The first
This.
in the menu. The first in the menu. The
Yeah.
dotted one. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And now again go and click on the image. You'll get that link for the image.
This is the technique. This is the technique.
Just
Yes, yes,
copy
yes.
this and paste it in another tab.
This is
And you can
this is
download
the
from there.
technique. You exact image will come. Yes.
Can this work in Leonardo and other softwares?
It will work. It will work then. It will work. But these options should come. These options should come. If it is
Huh.
coming, then it will work. Definitely it will work. Yes, it's
I was
a
just
good
going
technique.
through some Insta link for this design thing. So I
It's a
got
good
that.
technique. Good, good, good. Because I have used this technique for other purposes. Sometimes some glitch was there, so I removed that glitch from this method only, inspect method only. So that's a good thing because that's a basically coding, backend
Huh.
coding it
Hmm.
basically.
Hmm.
So if you are copying paste that coding part, the exact same thing will come. Same thing will come. So any other doubt from today's session or previous sessions also you can ask.
I've not explored much.
Okay,
I
okay,
couldn't
fine.
find time.
Okay.
I'll try. I'll start working.